Pour this on your grout and watch years of dirt disappear. Even the most stubborn buildup comes off. Prepare a glass container. Pour in 1 cup of disinfectant. This will be the base of the mixture. It helps remove bacteria, dissolve dirt, and eliminate unpleasant odors. Now add some hydrogen peroxide. It has whitening and antibacterial properties, which makes it effective against stains and buildup. Then add 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda gently scrubs away dirt, neutralizes odors, and helps dissolve limescale. Now squeeze the juice from half a lemon into the mixture. Lemon juice cuts through grease, helps dissolve limescale, and leaves a fresh scent. Mix everything thoroughly. This liquid works perfectly for cleaning bathroom grout. If you are wondering how to clean grout in the bathroom, simply pour it over the grout and scrub well with a brush. Finally, wipe everything with a damp cloth, and you will see how quickly the dirt disappears. You can also use it to clean the toilet. Just pour the mixture into the bowl, scrub it with a toilet brush, and flush with water. This mixture also works well for cleaning the shower. Pour it onto the surface, scrub with a brush or broom, and rinse everything with water. It is a simple homemade bathroom disinfectant that is much cheaper and gentler than many store-bought cleaners. Line your oven with plastic bags and get rid of burnt-on grime without scrubbing or effort. This simple method really works and doesn't require strength or any special tools. Just spray the inside of your oven with oven cleaner. Cover every surface thoroughly. Then take a few plastic bags and press them onto the sprayed surfaces, the bottom, sides, top, and door. The layer of plastic helps lock in moisture and acts as a barrier that boosts the cleaner's effectiveness. That's key, because it prevents the product from drying too quickly, giving it time to dissolve the grease and burnt residue. Leave it for a few hours, or overnight for tougher messes. When you peel off the plastic, wipe everything down with a cloth. The dirt comes off easily, no scraping or scrubbing needed. Just dry it with a clean towel, and you're done. It shines like new, and the whole process takes just a few minutes. No stress, no effort. You'll never go back to the old way. Pour ET into the dishwasher and turn it on. After the cycle is finished, it will be like new. This is the best way to clean the dishwasher. Before you do that, however, check the condition of the filter. Pull out the bottom rack. Unscrew the filter. Here, all the dirt accumulates. See how much residue is on it. It's grease and food remnants. Place the filter in a bowl of warm water. Pour dishwashing liquid and scrub the entire filter. When you remove most of the dirt, change the water. Soak the filter in water with dish soap and vinegar. This will help remove any remaining dirt. It will also neutralize most of the bacteria that may have settled on the filter. Clean the edge near the dishwasher door. Dirt collects here, which is not removed during the cycle. Wipe this area thoroughly and clean it. Check and scrub the filter again. After rinsing it under running water, screw it back into place. Unscrew the salt container. You will see if dirt has settled on the cap. Remove it and screw it back on. Sprinkle a good amount of baking soda on the bottom of the dishwasher. Let it cover the entire bottom. Place a small bowl of vinegar on the top rack. Turn on the dishwasher for a standard cycle. Baking soda and vinegar will clean and disinfect the interior of the dishwasher. The remaining dirt and unpleasant odor will disappear. The dishwasher will look like new. The dishes will be cleaner and shinier. Pour some warm water over the burnt-on spots on your Induction cooktop. Take a dishwasher tablet and remove it from the wrapper. Now scrub the entire surface with it, focusing on the dirtiest areas. The tablet breaks down grease and softens dried-on grime really well. Finish by wiping everything off with a damp cloth. In just a minute, you can clean a burnt Induction cooktop thoroughly without scratches or damage.
This is how you can clean a burnt oven without scrubbing. You will never want to clean it any other way again. This clever trick works every time. All you need is one gel dishwasher tablet. Place it in an oven-proof dish and place it in the oven. Then pour 1 liter of boiling water over it. Close the oven and set it to 100 degrees Celsius. Leave the dish in for about an hour. The steam containing active ingredients from the tablet will settle on the oven walls. They have degreasing, dissolving, and cleaning properties. They will perfectly cover all the burnt food residues. The heat of the oven will speed up the dissolving process. As a result, you won't need to scrub them. After an hour, open the oven and wipe the walls with a wet sponge. The dirt will come off immediately. It will even collect heavily burnt residues like a magnet. Try this trick and let us know if it worked.
This is how you clean a greasy range hood without scrubbing. Just place it in the bathtub and add one simple item. Metal filters collect dust and grease, and many people forget to clean them regularly. But the process doesn't have to be time-consuming. Simply remove the filter from the hood. If it hasn't been cleaned for a while, you'll see a thick layer of grease and dust. Getting rid of it can be quick and effortless. Place the filter in the bathtub, then add some cold water, especially important if you have an acrylic tub. Take a regular dishwasher tablet and place it on the filter. Pour 2 liters of boiling water over it and let it sit for 15 minutes. The tablet will dissolve, and its cleaning power will start working immediately. Grease and food buildup will disappear from every corner of the filter without you having to scrub. Finally, dry the filter and reinstall it. And that's it. What's your go-to method for cleaning range hood filters? This one spoonful will save your sink. You'll never call a plumber again. No more wasting money on chemical products. Don't poison yourself or the environment. Make a natural mixture that really works. Start by taking a lemon, cut it in half, and squeeze out the juice, ideally using a juicer. You'll need about half a cup. Citric acid is excellent at eliminating bacteria and neutralizing unpleasant odors. Add half a cup of dish soap. It dissolves grease and helps the mixture reach deep into the pipes. Then add 2 or 3 tablespoons of salt. Thanks to its abrasive properties, it removes built-up grime, limits bacterial growth, and further neutralizes smells. Mix everything until you get a thick consistency. This is important. The thicker the mixture, the longer it stays in the drain and the more effective it is. Now the key part. In the evening, pour 1 heaping tablespoon of baking soda into the sink. Immediately follow with the prepared mixture. Leave it overnight. In the morning, plug the sink, fill it with hot water, and after a moment, unplug it. The strong rush of water will flush away the dissolved dirt and bacteria. Done. A clean, odor-free, chemical-free sink. Natural, simple, and effective. Throw coffee into the sink. The results will surprise you. Everyday products can be transformed into something entirely different. This is a simple and inexpensive solution that will come in handy in the kitchen and bathroom. Take a bowl and add 3 tablespoons of ground coffee, which perfectly absorbs unpleasant odors. Next, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, utilizing its cleaning properties. Pour a glass of vinegar, known for its disinfecting qualities, and add it to the bowl with coffee and baking soda. Mix the solution well. Once ready, pour it into the sink. Let it sit for a while, allowing the ingredients to work. Then, rinse with warm water and watch how effectively it cleans and disinfects. This trick will help eliminate unpleasant odors and potential pests.